Going guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another tip. And this week I want to talk about how can you improve your credit in 30 days. Right guys, you need a quick credit boost. What can you do? I'm going to give you 3 solid strategies that would help you boost your credit in 30 days. Strategy number 1, pay off any collections, charge-off accounts that are new. Removing any new negative items from your credit report will boost your credit in 30 days. Strategy number 2, reduce your credit card balances. The lower the credit card balances, the better the ratio, the higher the FICO scores. Keep your balances low, FICOs increase. Strategy number 3, get added to an authorized user account, but the account has to have a credit limit of minimum $3,000, has to be open for more than 2 years, perfect payment history, and with a 0 balance. Quick recap. Number 1, pay off any negative collection charge-off accounts as soon as possible. The less negative debt, the better. Number 2 is reduce your debt. The lower the balances, the higher the FICO scores. Number 3, get added to an authorized user account. If you do those 3 strategies, guaranteed a point increase in about 30 days. Guys, for more tips, have questions, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to answer them. See you guys soon.